Good evening, Bobcat families, and welcome to the 2022-2023 Buchholz Open House. We're excited. This is the first in-person open house we've been able to have in a couple of years. So if you haven't been on campus, welcome to campus. Welcome back. We're excited to see you. Our teachers are excited to see you. Have a lot of great things going on at Buchholz. But enough about us. Let me introduce you to the member of our administrative team, and then we'll get to the very end and tell you a little bit about the schedule. So, next, Miss Julie Smith.
Good evening. My name is Julie Smith. I'm the Assistant Principal for Student Services, which means a lot of different things that I oversee, but mainly I oversee students with IEPs and 504s. And to my left is Mr. Jones.
Hello. Good evening. I'm Mr. Jones, and APA. I'm Assistant Principal over facilities, behavior, safety. So pretty much the guy that wears the hat for a lot of things, a lot of different things. But we welcome all you guys. Hope you have a good time tonight, and we'll see you around.
And last, but certainly not least, Dr. Prado, our Assistant Principal of Curriculum.
Hi, good evening. I'm Dr. Prado, your Assistant Principal of Curriculum. That means that I am in charge of all things academic here at Buchholz: schedules, courses, counseling, even a little bit of college admissions practice I'm learning from our counseling staff. We're glad to see you tonight. I kind of wanted to walk you through what to expect. You'll have 10 minutes in each one of your classrooms tonight with a 5-minute passing period. We cut that down from our normal 6 minutes, so you'll be hustling around, parents, to get where you need to get. We welcome you to listen to the teachers' presentations, but do remind you, if you have concerns about your student, it would be a great time to set up a conference with our front office staff. You can email us and let us know you'd like to do that. Our teachers won't have time to have those individual discussions with you tonight, but we'd be looking forward to that. As always, we're glad to see you on campus.
Bobcat families, great to see you. Let us know if you have any questions. As always, look at our website, look at our calendar. We put all our events on there. And if you haven't seen it already, go to our guidance counselors and get their Canvas page for important information as you go throughout the school year. Good to see you. Go Cats.